So here we have a triangle and we want to find the side x. So it's not a right triangle, and so I think of law of sines or cosines, and I check law of sines first because it's easiest. To use law of sines, I need an angle, to know an angle and a side opposite it. In looking at this triangle, I don't have that, but I can easily get that because anytime you have two angles, you can get the third. So I'll take 180 degrees minus the 111 minus the 22, and that'll give me that missing angle. Looks like that's going to be 47 degrees. And now I do have the side 8.6 and the angle opposite at 4.7. So I'm going to set up the law of sines, and I'm going to use the 8.6 over the sine of the angle opposite that, which is 47 degrees, and that's going to equal x, and over the sine of the angle opposite x, and that's 111 degrees. Now I can multiply the sine 111 and get it on the other side, so now x is alone, and you would be told in directions, but let's round this to 1 decimal place, and so we can find x if we then get the calculator and put 8.6 sine 111 over sine 47. Let me just bring up the calculator and I'll show you that. Okay, when you first get your calculator, you always check and see. This is in degrees here. Always check to make sure you're in the right mode. Okay, so now I need to put in 8.6 and then sine of 111 and finish the parenthesis on the sine, and then divided by sine of 47. Okay, and that gives me 10.977, so that's going to round to 11.